Milo was found abandoned in a small room, imprisoned by his cruel owner for 6 months without food or water. He was only able to survive by drinking rainwater. A plumber discovered him and reported the case to the police. One of our volunteers rescued him and took him to the clinic. He was in critical condition, skin and bones, and too weak to stand. Everyone who saw him was shocked by his state. He was named Milo, and he needed immediate help. Milo was taken to the clinic immediately for emergency treatment. The veterinarians never gave up on him, and they did everything they could to save his life. They hydrated him and gave him the nutrients that he was lacking. Days turned into weeks as Milo fought for his recovery. Milo's condition improved slowly but surely. After a few days, Milo started to gain weight and his eyes began to shine. Milo's spirit never wavered. He showed incredible resilience. They treated him with kindness and understanding, and they did everything they could to make him comfortable. They knew he had the strength and determination to succeed, so they gave him their support. With each passing day, Milo grew stronger and more energetic. After weeks of treatment, Milo was finally strong enough to leave the clinic. He found a forever home with a family who would shower him with love and attention. Milo's story is a reminder that even the most hopeless situations can be overcome with love and care. Milo is now living a wonderful life with his new family. He is handsome, friendly, and loved by everyone who meets him. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe to see more videos. Goodbye and see you again.